subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Dizo Watch adopts a specs lineup similar to those of the Realme Watch 2. This includes a decent square-shaped 1.4-inch LCD screen, with a resolution of 32x320 pixels, 323 ppi and 600 nits peak brightness. Watch uses rubber straps having the same color with the frame. Smartwatch comes with the usual features you'll find on most smartwatches, such as a heart rate sensor. It is also capable of SpO2 monitoring, activity tracking, sedentary reminder, and sleep monitoring. You also get up to 90 sports modes including outdoor walking, outdoor running, indoor running, dynamic cycling, hiking, cricket, yoga, rowing, strength training, basketball, elliptical machine, free training. Features an IP68 water-resistant body, and provides up to 12 days of battery life, thanks to a 315 mAh battery under the hood. Smartwatch also comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support and can connect to devices running Android 5.0 and later via the Realme Link app. When paired, the watch can be used for music control and camera control. It also features call notification, message reminder, alarm reminder. Dizo Watch will be available in carbon grey color and is priced at Rs. $3,499 or $47. It will be sold on Flipkart at a starting price of Rs. $2,999 or $40. It will go sale from August 6, 2021. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.